Hi, Todd Bourne here in the Forecast Center with an update on what we can expect weather-wise as we go through the rest of this 4th of July, this weekend, and of course all of next week. And for this evening's fireworks, it looks hot and humid, but the good news is nothing to worry about as far as rain for the most part, as we'll see a mostly clear sky. Temperatures will fall before sunset in the middle 90s down into the upper 80s by the time we get to 10 o'clock tonight. Meantime, here's a look at the weather pattern across the country, and you can see that we still have the upper level ridging, which is centered pretty close to the ArkLaTex still. This upper level trough is going to break down this ridge somewhat, and you can see the associated frontal system to the north of the ArkLaTex right now. That is also going to be moving towards the south and will bring us a good chance for some thunderstorms here during the next couple of days. Here's a look at Robin's Starry to Futurecast as we go into the evening hours. Again, mostly clear. Might see a few clouds over the northern half of the area. Thunderstorms off to our north and west by 10 p.m. likely will weaken quite a bit as they move into the northern edge of the area during the night tonight and then tomorrow. We will start off with that mixture of clouds and sunshine. That should be enough ahead of this frontal system to allow temperatures to return to the low to middle 90s during the day tomorrow. Then as the front moves south, scattered thunderstorms will develop along that front and gradually drift to the south during the latter stages of the afternoon and evening hours. We will see those thunderstorms end tomorrow evening, and then Saturday, with the boundary still close by, more scattered thunderstorms will develop mainly over the southern half of the area during the afternoon. That activity also will decrease as we go through Saturday evening, and we'll probably do this all over again on Sunday. Here's a look at rainfall potential from now through Saturday from Futurecast, and you can see not a whole lot of rain over the northern sections of the region, but south of Interstate 20 we will see scattered locations that could pick up a quick 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, but those will be very scattered. Hurricane Beryl continues to approach the Yucatan. Right now, maximum sustained winds at 110 miles per hour, still racing towards the west-northwest at around 20 miles per hour. This system will likely cross the Yucatan tomorrow, become a tropical storm, and then move up towards the northern Mexican coast as we go into Sunday evening. We'll see it move into Mexico just south of Brownsville. And then it does look like we'll see it dissipate here over the southwestern sections of Texas, very close to the Rio Grande. So the heaviest of the rain probably will stay to the southwest of the ArkLaTex, but we will have a possibility of seeing some decent rainfall here. Again, I mentioned the scattered rain here over the weekend, but notice what we could end up with by the time we get to the end of next weekend. The blended model still showing anywhere from 2 to over 4 inches of rain could be a possibility, with the most widespread heavier rains mainly over the southwestern two-thirds of the area. So that being said, here's a look at your forecast, and you can see that tonight we're going to be looking at a partly cloudy sky. Temperatures will fall into the low to middle 70s north to the 70s, low 80s south. That includes 81 in Shreveport, 76 tonight, a little bit cooler in Texarkana. Tomorrow, temperatures not as hot. We still make it to 96 in Shreveport, 97 in Natchitoches. Notice where the front moves through sooner, not as hot. Upper 80s, low 90s for daytime highs over the northern sections of the area. That includes 92 degrees for the high temperature in Texarkana. And your 10-day forecast shows that we will continue to see that chance for the scattered thunderstorms as we go through the weekend. A threat of rain will increase during the middle part of next week and then decrease again as we head towards next weekend. Highs could eventually end up in the 80s during the middle of next week and then creep back to the mid-90s by the end of the 10-day period. So again, it looks like our streak of very hot and humid conditions will end. We'll shift over to a more soggy weather pattern starting tomorrow, and that off and on chance of rain will continue through next weekend.